Hi there, students. Frivolous, an adjective, and its corresponding noun, frivolity. Okay, if something is frivolous, it's trivial, not serious, silly and unimportant, empty and inappropriate. So, for example, a frivolous remark. It's inappropriate and it has no serious purpose. Frivolous purchases. I went to do the shopping for food and I came back with garden furniture. That's pretty frivolous in December. Okay, I'm not going to be able to use it, and I went for food to eat. So, not serious, not deserving serious attention. You could have a frivolous attitude, lacking seriousness, undue joking, being flippant, but inappropriately flippant, always playing. Yeah? So if somebody's attitude is frivolous, they are joking and laughing when they really need to be concentrating on the matter at hand, concentrating on their work. Something that's frivolous, it's trifling, it's trivial, yeah? It's not worthy of you actually thinking about. He made a frivolous suggestion, a joke, yeah? There was no weight to it. It wasn't helpful in the situation. So this frivolous suggestion, it's not important and it's not worth serious consideration. Oh, don't be so flippant. Concentrate on what we're doing, yeah? There's a time and a place for everything. Okay, so flippant, not serious in content, attitude, behaviour. Wasting time joking. Notice if somebody uses the word frivolous, this indicates criticism on the part of the speaker. This is saying the time for not being serious is not now. It's an inappropriate time, or this is an inappropriate manner. I have no time for frivolities at the moment. I'm working on something serious. Okay, frivolous comes from the Latin word frivolus, meaning of little value. So the etymology is quite easy. Now, next question, what about formality? I think I would probably give this word a 6 in formality. It's slightly formal. It sounds a bit literary, although I think you could definitely use it in an informal conversation. It fits in a semi-formal context and in a very formal context as well. I think it's a good word for an essay, or it's a good word to show that you think that something lacks importance. Okay? So, frivolous, trivial, not serious, silly, joking at an appropriate time. And remember, it's a little bit critical. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Frivolous, Frivolity.